Most vacuums clean the floor, but a whole home has a lot more than just floors. This is the Xiaomi G20 Max, the most advanced cordless vacuum in the G20 setup. It's built for larger homes with many kids or pets or anyone who wants complete cleaning across every surface. Floors, furniture, upholstery, and tight spaces all collect dust in different ways. The G20 Max covers it all. It runs at up to 180 air watts and 25,000 pascals of suction, making it the most powerful in the G20 range. With up to 45 minutes on the floor brush or 60 minutes with the nozzle, it covers the whole home on a single charge. The anti-tangle floor brush reduces hair wrapping around the roller to prevent a reduction in your suction power. The built-in LED searchlight reveals dust hiding along edges and darker areas so that you don't miss them. The color display shows your cleaning mode and battery status at a glance. And the pet brush is also a welcome addition for gentle pet grooming. The extension hose gives you extra reach for tight corners, shelves, and difficult angles. Inside, a multi-cone separation system keeps suction strong while trapping fine dust. Even with the added power and tools, it stays easy to move around furnitures and higher areas. In the box, you'll get everything you need to clean every part of your home. Choose the attachment you need and start cleaning. When you're done, you can empty the bin with one press of a finger. The Xiaomi G20 Max. Maximum cleaning power and a complete set of tools for every part of your home.